Hi everyone. It's been a long time since I did a thrift store haul, and I thought I would do one, and it's sort of it's kind of funny because we went like 3 times in a row. One of my favorite thrift stores had a special anniversary sale, and I actually won a $10 gift card, and then I took my husband back because we were going to be near it. And then he won a $10 gift card, so we had to go back a couple of times. But I got some different things for junk journaling. These were some black doilies, and I think it's marked 99 cents, but a lot of things were 50% off, and the anniversary sale was definitely 30% off for everything. So it's either 50% off or 30% off. So Jeff found these great big jumbo playing cards, which I think will be really cool to alter and use as journaling cards. I know these silver envelopes were 40% off, and I don't know if they're all still in there, but there's 40 of them supposedly, and they're silver, they're metallic. You can't see that, I don't think, but they were 50 cents. And then these were photo greeting cards, and even if I don't use them as photo greeting cards, they have their envelopes and everything in them. So, and there was lots of file folders, and basically I really like file folders, you guys know that. So there was a whole brand new package of regular size ones and the great big long ones. And now a couple of them are kind of ruined because of the tape, but those I know were half off, so they were $1.50. And then there was these metallic gold napkins. And there was this fun box. It's called Colorful Blessings. Oh, I'm out of frame. Sorry, guys. Let me see what I can do here. They're little cards that it says color, and it's a little saying. Each one is a little saying, and it says, "You're loved by God." And they're all just different sayings, and they're actually for a gift for someone. So I'm going to want to get them sent out. And then there were these cool postcards. These are Lost Ocean postcards. And that says $1.99, but it was probably 30% off. So, and it's a whole book of postcards that you can color. Now, I might not necessarily color them, and use them, but I can use them as bases or backgrounds for some handmade art postcards. So that was really fun to get. And then they had this Greg shorthand manual. Now, I paid more for it than I really would have liked to, because I can usually get books for $0.25, and I was afraid that it was going to disappear. So I know not too many people want it, but I paid $2 less than 30%. So what, $1.40. So. And then there was this box of invitation envelopes, and it's not full, but invitation envelopes are always a good size for cards because they fit a quarter of a sheet of paper, and they were $1.99, less than 30%. And these are cute little playing cards, but they had little flowers and bees on them, and I thought they would be real fun for a book I'm working on. And then there was this Christmas, it's like a table, no, it says a half apron. And it's got some real pretty lace on the edge. And it was probably half of the 99 cents, but I thought it would make a fun Christmas journal. And then there were these, and these are they're rolls for a player piano, and they wouldn't give me the discount on them, but I figured since I won a gift certificate, I could justify having them. So I got a couple of them, and I can't tell you how much is on each one because I haven't pulled each one out. But what happened is that when Jeffrey run his gift card, I had to go back, and I kind of got quite a few. So they were in something in impulse, but I can see them being really cool in a junk journal. And then this was it'd be a $1.40 book, and I just really liked the illustrations in it. They're just little black and white illustrations for the most part. Sometimes they're in color. And it's all about gardening and plants and flowers. And I just really liked the book, so I thought for $2, that's fine, I can cut it up. And then on the way back one day, sorry for making you dizzy, I stopped at this used bookstore that I have not been at before. And now this book was discarded by some library, and he wanted $2 for it. But it's got beautiful bird illustrations in it. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I can just see tags and ephemera made out of these illustrations. And the book is old, so the information in it is not really perfect, but look at that piece right there. I can just see a beautiful bird tag made with it. So I picked it up, and I was walking around the store, and it's a bookstore. It's a used bookstore I've never been in before. And on the counter were these. And these are old postcards. Now, many of them are college and building architecture kind of things. I haven't figured out the date of them. Like this is Montgomery, and it's all, I can't get it open with one hand, but it's all buildings. There are a few that aren't, but see here, this is all mostly buildings. And there are a few things that were not. I've got them sort of at the top of the bag because I was looking at them. But you see, they're travel postcards is what they were. And they're just gorgeous. But he wanted $10 for the whole bag, and I have no idea what old postcards are worth. And they weren't really what I wanted so much. I really like this kind. And most of them were never used. So anyways, I said to him, he wanted $10, and I said, well, how about, these are fabulous. I said, how about $10 for these and the book? And he said yes. So I got this whole bag of old postcards. And I haven't decided exactly how I'm going to use them yet, but I can see these just being tucked into a masculine type junk journal. So anyways, guys, that's my several trips to the thrift store haul, and I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let me know. Give me a holler. Tell me what thing that you would use in your junk journals. Have a great afternoon. Bye-bye.